Hey y'all, I'm Kenya and welcome to my channel. I am pumped about this video and I'm so grateful that you are here to join in on all the fun with me. So as you guys can see, we have a box. And yes, this will be my back to school release squad box, you guys. So I'm excited to see these goodies. One, because the back to school release tends to be one of my favorites, especially for stickers, because you know they come out with these cute illustrations and stuff. So like, you know, stuff that's different, like that we might not see all the time. So I'm super excited to see what they came out with this time and this go around, and to actually see it in person. So I don't know what's in here, and there's a lot of things that came out this collection from what they've told us. So I gotta share it with my besties. So if you want to see what's in the box, you already know. Stay tuned. Okay, you guys. So y'all know how we do. We just gonna pop it open and see what we got. I might have to move it back a little bit, and if I do, because I have it on the table and I was trying to give you guys like a close-up view, but I don't think y'all can see everything. So let me do this a little bit better. Okay, because like, man, okay, this box is a little thick. Thickums. Okay, so I'm gonna move it down. I'm gonna see. So hold on, I'll be right back. Okay, y'all, so I opened it up and we got some goodies. All right, so y'all know how we got this bubble wrap to protect our beautiful new goodies. Okay, so I kept it because I think y'all can see, right? Y'all can see. Okay, so y'all. Okay, like listen. Okay, I love black and white with my color, and y'all, this pouch is cute. Okay, this pouch is so cute. Like, look at the black and white. It's popping, and it's like almost like a pale pink color zipper. So it's not even like, oh, it's new, like a muted tone. Like, oh, it's gray. I see now. Ooh, this is so pretty. And oh my goodness, y'all, they just keep doing it. They keep doing it. They keep bringing out such good things. Like, and look at the band on the back. It's that pale pink color. That is beautiful, y'all. Oh my gosh, so classy. Like, I see that they're kind of sticking with like that sophisticated florals look. So love it. All right, so here we got, okay, this says Teacher Florals. And okay, so that's a collection, Teacher Florals, and I see that they have us some florals with some t-shirt quotes. Oh my goodness, you guys, I'm so happy about this because look at the blue, like the blue, those blue florals. Oh my gosh. Okay, I'm gonna do the stickers last, okay, because I already know. Sometimes you just have to you don't even have words, you know. You just have to I was hoping they were gonna do this. I didn't know when they were gonna do this because, you know, sometimes they wait a little bit, but I love that they gave us some accessories to go with the colorful leopard line. And it says 8 sticky notepads, so this is so nice. Oh, I'm excited about this. Oh, that's so pretty. Oh, you guys, okay, I got some bookmarks, and this says be kind. And okay, that's pretty, like retro vibes, y'all, retro vibes. I told y'all they come out with some cute illustrations, so I'm excited to see that line. Oh, it looks like I got florals, y'all. The Happy Planner, they know me. They know leopard and florals. It's Kenya. Okay, leopard and florals, that's Kenya. Okay, so this is a happy notes, and it's dotted line paper. And it says the best Let me see if I can get it open. But it says the best time for new beginnings is now. And y'all, I'm just gonna sneak it up a little bit, but yeah, it's dotted line paper, so this is perfect. And honestly, I love these because they, you know, you can always pop these in and out your planner. Like, it's a fun way to use, you know, get extra filler paper and then extra covers too. Like, I tend to like the covers on these. Isn't that pretty with that like lime green? Oh, okay, so this floral line, that looks like it's a whole collection. Ooh. Okay, so this is a vertical layout, you guys. So that's different, right? Normally they do like the color block and like, of course, the teacher planner for this release. But I see that they put some vertical in here. So that's cute. And it says, I am the creator of my own happy life. And it's like this pastel color. Very clean, classy cover. Got some gold foil on it. And I don't know if it's neutral, you guys, but I will do a flip through of this so we can see. Yeah, I'll do a flip through of these things. I'll do a separate video for that. But yes, y'all. And it goes from August to July. So this would be like the student version. It looks like it's what they did. And I guess they went with the vertical layout. And I think a lot of students could get a use out of that. So like, yeah, I love it. I think we have a lot of students that actually use the vertical layout anyway. So that's nice. Okay, so we got some big filler paper, and y'all, okay, I like this big 1, 2, 3. That's different, and it's got some dot grid to the side, and then you got a checklist. Then it looks like on the back is full dot grid. Ooh, I love that they're coming out with more things for our big happy planner bags. So that's nice. And I know a lot of teachers like to use the big for their actual work planner. So this would be nice to have as some daily sheets for them. Like, I'm super happy about that. Okay, it's giving me some ideas because I do have some teacher friends, and you know, if I could put together a little package for them, that'll be a good thing to include. Ooh. Okay, y'all. Okay, I always love the dot grid from the Happy Planner. And so this is nice. This is not black and white though. It looks like it is like a muted gray tone dot grid, but it's still pretty. Like, it's still nice and clean. And on the back, it looks like it's dotted line from what I can tell from this pack. So this is so nice to have as filler paper to make your extra sheets and stuff that you want to insert inside your planner. That's nice. Whatever, like, it's like a blank canvas. So I love that. Thank you, Happy Planner. You guys, y'all know me. Okay, so now I have a big planner accessory pack. And y'all, this is the teacher floral line. I'm telling you, they know me with these florals. So I'm excited to see. Ooh, y'all see that bookmark? Yeah, that's it right there. That's so, oh, that's pretty. They're trying to get me to use a big planner. They are trying to get me to use a big planner. So these are always great too because it comes with stickers, filler paper, a folder, and a bookmark. And y'all, I'm feeling this like color palette with these black and white florals on it. Like, that's so clean and classy. Like, that's so nice. That's so nice. Oh my goodness. Oh. Y'all see this? Do y'all see this? Oh, okay. Y'all, how many stickers will I need? I mean, how many of these will I need to just go ahead and just rearrange the whole craft section? Look at this. This is so pretty. Do y'all like everything to be uniform? I'm a stickler for that. I tried to make everything uniform. And I saw where you can like paint these, but this is too pretty to paint. I'm not painting this one. I love it, you guys. I love it. And I actually like our sticker storages from the Happy Planner because, one, they have like the dividers in them, and so it helps keep your books to stay standing up straight. I know a lot of people use Target bins. I use Target bins too at times to hold some of mine because I don't have enough of these. But oh my goodness. Okay, add to cart. Okay, add to cart. Okay, so now we are to the stickers, y'all. And I got 4 sticker books here. Ooh, they sent me a duplicate. They sent me a duplicate. They sent me a duplicate. Okay. Let's see what we can do with this duplicate. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Alright, so first off, what we'll do, we'll just set the duplicate to the side for now to see what we can do with it. But we have Simple Brights, which yes, I already know. I just know, because I see these boxes. I see, that's me. That's me. And then we have Good Vibes. And y'all see, I've told y'all some cute stickers from the covers, okay? From the covers. I just know. Okay, and then we have Teacher Florals. You guys, they know me. I'm telling you, they know me. They know your girl, okay? And I believe they know some of you guys too, for sure, because some of the stuff we be asking for, they be doing it. They be doing it. All right, so yeah, you guys, those are the stickers that I received. Well, the sticker books, because we did get a sticker pack. And so y'all, I'm excited. I would love to know and hear from you what you think about the release, and like how you're feeling about this release, or is it one of your favorites? I know that well, probably by the time you guys see this video, the preview will be up on the Happy Planner website. Definitely check out the rest of my squad mates to see what they received in their box, because like I said, there are a few things in this collection that, you know, they came out with. They came out with several different things, and so I know we all got different things. So it's gonna be exciting to see what all they received. And yeah, I want to know what you guys plan to get, what you're loving, and you know, are you into the teacher planner? Because I definitely will be picking up one of those for sure. I want to try out the teacher planner from this collection this year and just see if I can work it into my lineup. And yeah, you guys, so this is what I received in my box. I'm super excited about it. And yeah, stay tuned for some flip throughs and product breakdown of everything. And I hope you enjoyed. Thank you guys so much for watching and for being so sweet and kind. Please like, comment, and subscribe to my channel for more videos. And until next time, love ya. Bye.